Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we've been looking at team numbers, and we've been looking at numbers that are one more or one less than a particular number. So for instance, we've been looking at the number 13, and then we say what's one more than 13? That's 14, and what's one less than 13? That's 12. And we've been using a number line or a number track to help us to know what that is. That way we don't have to think in our minds, what would be one less than 13? We can just look at the number track right here. I think I got 13. It kind of blocks it out when I do that. Change that. There we go. Okay. And we can look at 13 and say, well, I can just see one less is always this way and one more is this way. And remember, we always, the numbers go up just the way we read, which is left to right. We always go more this way and less this way. Okay. So now I'm going to have you get a piece of paper and a pencil, a crayon, or marker, and I'm going to have you write down 6 different numbers, okay? So this is kind of just a review on what we've learned. I'm going to tell you a number, and I would like you to find it up here. I'll give you a second to find it, and then I'll say, okay, well, give me a number that's less than that number. For instance, if I said 8, less than 8 would be 7, one less, and then one more would be 9, okay? So we're going to go ahead and pause the video if you need to. Get a piece of paper, pencil, crayon, or marker, and then we'll review our numbers. All right, boys and girls, hopefully you do have your paper and something to write with. Now, the first number I'm going to give you, I'm not even going to write it. I would like you to find it on the number line, and the first number is 15. Okay, so take a second, find 15, and you can even just put your finger on the screen if you like, just to make sure you have your place there. So just find 15. And actually, in the first one, let me just I'll walk through it with you. 15 is going to be this one. So we know 15. Okay. And now, the first number you're going to write, we're going to do 6 numbers total. So first number is, what is one less than 15? One less. Okay. All right. So you should have written 14. That's one less. Okay, so anywhere on your paper, just write 14. Either on the top or on the side. Okay? Your second number to write down is, what is one more than 15? Remember, more is always this way. So one more is 16. Good. All right, so you should have 14 and 16 written on your paper somewhere. All right, next one. There you go. This one I'll just let you do. I won't put this little plus sign on the number. I'll let you find it yourself and write down the next 2 numbers. Find number 11. You see number 11 on the number line? All right. Now, the third number to write on your paper is, write down 1 less than 11. What number is that? All right. You can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Okay, what is 1 more than 11? Very good. Now you should have 4 numbers on there. Okay? All right, 4 different numbers. And they're going to be team numbers. So let's go ahead and do our last 2 numbers. Okay? 19. Find 19. Very good. All right, you have 19 on there. Now go ahead and write down, what is 1 less than 19? All right. And now, last number to write down. What's 1 more than 19? Very good. All right, boys and girls. Well, hopefully you got the last 4 numbers correct. Go ahead and take a picture if you can. Upload that. That was a fun little review of what we learned this week. And thank you for joining me today for math.